The WERNER ATS-72 telescoping scaffold was built to meet your demands. Let's go through the initial setup. Once you've unpacked all the components, we'll start by assembling the outriggers and casters. Insert the casters into the outriggers, making sure that the caster nut is fully inserted into the hole. Then, using the supplied socket wrench, secure the casters. To install, unlock the bottom rail, slide the outriggers onto the base, and rotate until the lock engages. Install the remaining outriggers to complete the initial assembly. To operate the scaffold, open the yellow base gate until it locks into place. Next, raise the top two sections on each side. Release the telescoping guardrails and extend them to the opposite corners. Then latch into place. Now we can raise to our desired height by following the sequence shown on the rungs. Work from side to side to raise each section in the order indicated on the labels, making sure that each section has locked into place. Next, place the platform onto the scaffold. The platform will always be installed on the third section from the top and locked into place from below. After that, let's extend the 4 diagonal braces. Make sure to match the color in the window to the color of the connection point, which is determined by the platform height. Install the toe boards, starting with the sides, then install the ends, making sure that the L-clips are pointing up. Before climbing, lock the casters and swing the outriggers into position. Then use the handle to lower the foot of each outrigger. Finally, use the built-in bubble levels to make sure the scaffold is level. Now, you're ready to climb.